there, my name is Pilkinton-Ching. This is a little tutorial to show you how to record your own Zoom meeting and then send it to me so that I can upload it to Wipster. In Wipster, you will be able to add your annotations and tell me how you want it edited, and then I can send it back to you to be reviewed. Any other changes that you might need can be added at that point, and then I'll upload it to YouTube so it can then be added to Moodle. As you can imagine, you open up Zoom and then click the New Meeting button and join a meeting as you normally would. Click on the record button in the bottom bar. You'll notice that once you click record, the buttons change, so you can click pause or stop if required. When you click End Meeting, you'll be presented with this dialog. Click End Meeting for all. Your meeting will then be converted and saved to your computer. And on my computer, it shows me where it saved it to. The file that we're particularly interested in is the one that finishes with .mp4. I imagine some of you will prefer to use Echo 360 rather than Zoom to make the recording of your lecture. You're very welcome to do that. Rather than following the next steps of sending it to me using WeTransfer, you'll just need to share that lecture with me within the Echo 360 online console. So once you've finished your meeting and you've saved it and it's been saved to your computer, then I want you to go to WeTransfer. This is what the WeTransfer website looks like, wetransfer.com. Basically, you're going to fill in these details with my email address. So it's luke.pilkinton-ching@otago.ac.nz. Please don't include a G in Pilkington. Add your own email address. Send me a little note. Please add this to Wipster so I can tell you how to edit it. You need to make sure you add your file. So you can either click Add File, and to navigate to where that was saved. I think generally it's saved inside my home file, documents, Zoom, and then the date. Or, as in my situation, you can normally just click and drag. It will pop up with the video, and you can click and drag that to where you want it to be added. And you can see here that it's now been added to this little email thing here. When I click transfer, that will then send that file to me, even though it's really, really big, and it will be given an alert, and then I can download it. From there, I'll then upload it into this tool here called Wipster. Basically, it's a video collaboration tool so that you will be able to add your comments to the video where you want things done. So if you wanted to add a comment here, say, Luke, please delete from here, and you'll notice that this is all time coded. So this is at 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Then I'll save that, and I'll be able to see your comments from my end. So then I can say, click further down the timeline on this location here, click again, and finish the delete here. You can also use this tool to add comments like, please add a title that says, and you can add in what it is that you would like me to say. Please do make your instructions very clear though, so that you just don't say cut or cut here. Please say delete from here, and then finish the delete here. That makes it heaps easier for me when I'm trying to figure out what it is that you're trying to do. Once you've completed all your suggested edits and annotations, I can go into Wipster and see what you've annotated. I will then make the edits you've requested using my video editing software, and then I'll upload the resulting file back to Wipster so you can just verify and sign it off for me. Once that's been completed, I'll then upload it to YouTube as an unlisted link. That means that it can't be searched or found by anyone unless they have the link. That link will also be sent to the admins, who will then use it to upload into Moodle. I hope this has been helpful. Do let me know if you've got any questions.